After you have applied for and have been approved to receive unemployment insurance benefits, you will begin to collect a set amount each week you're found eligible. This amount is known as your weekly benefit amount, or WBA. In South Carolina, the minimum weekly benefit amount before taxes is $42 per week, and the maximum is $326 per week. Your weekly benefit amount is calculated from the wages you earned from your W-2 employer in your base period. In most cases, your base period is the 4 oldest of the last 5 completed calendar quarters as of the date you filed your claim. In addition to losing your job through no fault of your own, being able and available to work, and actively seeking work, you must also meet 3 requirements to establish a weekly benefit amount. You must have been paid at least $1,092 in wages-covered employment during the highest quarter of your base period. Covered employment is wages earned from employers who pay into the UI Trust Fund. You must have also been paid a minimum of $4,455 in covered employment wages during your base period, and your total base period wages must equal or exceed 1.5 times the total of your high quarter wages. If you meet these requirements, then your weekly benefit amount is calculated by taking the wages you earned in your highest base period quarter and dividing it by 26. But it is important to remember that the resulting amount cannot exceed the maximum amount, which is $326 per week. Your maximum total benefit amount within a benefit year is the lesser of the two, either 20 times your weekly benefit amount or 1/3 of your total base period wages. Let's look at an example based on a claimant making $30,000 annually prior to being laid off. Your base period wages would be $30,000. If your highest quarter wages were $8,000, your weekly benefit amount would then be $8,000 divided by 26, which equals $307.69, which would then be rounded down to $307. 20 weeks times $307 equals $6,140, which is now your maximum benefit amount. 1/3 of your base period wages of $30,000 equals $9,900. Therefore, the maximum benefits of your claim would be $6,140, since that amount is less than the 1/3 of your base period wages. The goal of unemployment insurance is to provide a financial bridge while you become reemployed after losing a job through no fault of your own. To learn more about unemployment insurance, view our video series Understanding UI on the SEDO YouTube page.